For as long as humans have existed, we have looked up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone. Across cultures and civilizations, the stars have inspired myths, gods, and questions that often had no answers. But today, this ancient curiosity is no longer driven by imagination alone. It is driven by science. With powerful telescopes, robotic explorers, and decades of research, humanity is closer than ever to answering one of the most profound questions in history. Is there life beyond Earth? The question has haunted philosophers, scientists, and dreamers for millennia. And now, for the first time, we have the tools to explore it with precision and evidence. Before we look for aliens, we need to understand how big the universe really is. The universe is almost impossible to imagine. The part of the universe we can see contains more than 200 billion galaxies. Each galaxy has hundreds of billions of stars, and many of these stars have planets orbiting around them. Scientists now believe that planets are not rare at all. In fact, there may be more planets in the universe than stars themselves. Some stars may have 1 or 2 planets, while others may have dozens. And these planets can have many different types of conditions, some like Earth and others completely different. When we think of this enormous universe, it starts to feel very unlikely that life exists only on Earth. With so many stars and planets, the chances that life could exist somewhere else seem very high. It may be tiny life, like bacteria, or something far more complex. But the universe is so vast that Earth may not be the only home for life. When people think of aliens, they often imagine green beings with big eyes or intelligent creatures similar to humans. This is mostly from movies and stories. But scientists have a very different definition of life. Life on other planets does not need to be intelligent or advanced. It could be very simple, like tiny bacteria or microbes. It could even be something completely unknown to us. On Earth, life began as tiny microbes billions of years ago, and for a long time, life stayed simple. Animals, plants, and humans only came much later. So, if life exists somewhere else, it is probably simple rather than advanced. Complex, intelligent civilizations may be very rare, but simple life? That might exist on many planets. When we search for life, we are not just looking for creatures that look like us. We are looking for any sign of living organisms, no matter how small or different they may be. For a long time, scientists believed Earth was the only planet that could support life, but discoveries in recent decades have changed that idea. Mars, our neighboring planet, shows signs of ancient rivers and lakes. Long ago, Mars may have had a much thicker atmosphere and flowing water. Jupiter's moon, Europa, has a thick layer of ice, and underneath that ice, scientists believe there is a huge ocean of liquid water. Water is very important for life as we know it. Saturn's moon, Enceladus, is another interesting place. It shoots water vapor into space, suggesting there is a warm ocean below the ice. Outside our solar system, astronomers have found thousands of planets orbiting other stars. Some of these planets are in the habitable zone, which means they are at the right distance from their star where liquid water could exist on the surface. Life may not need Earth-like conditions. It might survive in extreme heat, extreme cold, or in places with chemicals very different from what we have here. All it needs is the right ingredients and conditions to survive. The universe is very old, about 13.8 billion years. Earth, however, is only about 4.5 billion years old. This means alien life could have existed long before humans even appeared. Some civilizations may have lived and died billions of years ago, before Earth was even formed. Other civilizations could be alive right now, far away in space, separated from us by enormous distances and long periods of time. When we look for alien life, it is not only a question of distance. Timing is also important. Life may have existed in one place billions of years ago, but may not exist there today. Or life could be developing somewhere far away, and we just haven't discovered it yet. Scientists use several ways to search for alien life. They look for biosignatures, which are signs of life. For example, oxygen, methane, or other gases in a planet's atmosphere might indicate the presence of living things. They also search for technosignatures, which are signs of technology. This could include radio signals, unusual energy patterns, or light signals from other planets. One of the most famous projects is SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. For decades, SETI has been scanning the sky, listening for signals from other civilizations. So far, no confirmed signals have been found. The universe is silent. But this does not mean life does not exist. It might just be very far away or not using technology we can detect. This silence leads to a big question called the Fermi Paradox. If intelligent life is common in the universe, why haven't we found it? Some scientists think civilizations might destroy themselves before they can explore the stars. Others think intelligent life is extremely rare. Some believe that advanced civilizations might be deliberately avoiding contact with us. The universe may not be empty, it may just be very quiet. And the truth is, we still don't know what's out there. The answer may be hiding, waiting for us to discover it. So, what is the truth about life beyond Earth? Science does not have a final answer yet, but every new telescope, every mission, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Whether we are alone or not, one thing is clear. The universe is huge, very old, and full of mysteries. And somewhere in that vast space, the answer may already exist, waiting to be found.